What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jack Sonic, Eat Vegetables NYC, and today we're going to start a new series called CookVeg, where I'm going to teach y'all how to prepare some of the wonderful vegetables from the garden. So today we're going to start with coleslaw. Now, there are a lot of different ways to make coleslaw. I have kind of my own style of doing it, and I like to use stuff fresh from the garden. So today we're going to use cabbage, we're going to use some beets, and we're going to use a couple carrots. Now you're going to need a nice big mixing bowl to shred into, and you're going to need a shredder. I like using this side of the shredder for cabbage. So you're going to want to just shred the cabbage down into nice reasonable size pieces, and then you're going to want to shred the beets or whatever else you're using. You know, you can use radishes, garlic, ginger can be good in coleslaw as well. You can really kind of have fun with it. So there's the beets, looking pretty good so far. Next, we're going to do the carrots. It's important, especially with things like carrots, you be very careful. You don't want to cut your fingers on the shredder, but look at that. Looks pretty good, huh? So then we're going to need to season it. You know, mayonnaise is traditional. I like to use veganese for my coleslaw. And then you want some acid, lemon juice. You could use vinegar. I'm using lemon. And then, you know, a little bit of salt. I like to throw in some honey to sweeten it. And of course, some black pepper to finish it off. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah, this is gonna be tasty. So just mix it up. And that's pretty much it. Woo! All right, y'all. That's about it. That's my way of making coleslaw. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I will. Eat vegetables.